Hey, Benjamin, how do you know what to do during when the school is closed?
Well, you see, you can use Seesaw to communicate with your teacher.
Oh, can you show me what you do?
Okay, so you first have to go into Seesaw and oh, you have to go into your class. Then you go into activities and you can check what your teacher has assigned. So, as you can see, there's something from my teacher. So you can click play and let's see.
Good morning, ISM.
Okay, so click on add response. Eh, There, there we go. So let's go to the next. So this is where I would click. Um,
And in activities, you would then do all the things that are scheduled for you.
yes.
Okay, thank you, Benjamin.
You're welcome. Goodbye.